Hello friend, in this lecture we will discuss on the script element in HTML. So friend, let's start. The script element in HTML allows us to include some dynamic script and data block in our HTML document. Now this dynamic script can be a JavaScript. Thus, this script element is used to define a client-side scripting, and this script element can either contain some scripting statement or it can even point to some external script file by using the src attribute of the script element, which means we will have the actual JavaScript code in some external JavaScript file, and we will be referencing to this external JavaScript file from our HTML document by using the src attribute of the script element. Please note that a single HTML document can have multiple script elements, and even we can place the script element inside the head element, or even in some cases we can put the script element in the body element of the HTML document. Now let me quickly show you a sample code where we have used the script element, inside which we will be having a JavaScript function with the name as display message. And this function, that is display message, is called from a button which is available in the body section of our HTML document. Thus when this code gets rendered in the browser, we will get the output as shown here. And the moment we click on this button display message, it will call the function display message and will throw an alert with the message as hello Paul. Now let's go into the HTML editor and write some code to describe the script element in a better way. Let's create an HTML file with the name as sample.html. The first statement will be the doc type declaration, then we will be having the HTML element inside which we will have head element, inside which we will have the title element. Let the title be script element demo. Let's have the body element inside which we will have the button element. Let the name of the button be display message, and the type of this button will be button. Now in the head element, that is in between the opening head tag and the closing head tag, let me have the script element, and inside the script element let me define the JavaScript function with the name as display message. And what this display message will have, it will throw an alert with the message as hello Paul. Now this JavaScript function, that is display message function, will be called from this button, and the event will be on click. That is, whenever we click on this button, it will call this display message function which is available inside our script element. And when this get called, it will throw an alert saying hello Paul. Save this and right click to open in default browser. Thus when this code get rendered in a browser, we can see that this button is having a name as display message, and whenever we click on this button, it will throw an alert saying hello Paul. Now let me show you a sample where I will have this JavaScript file as an external file, and using the script element we will be referring to that external file and will be doing some processing inside our HTML body section. Let's create a JavaScript file with the name as sample.js file. So here I will have a function with the name as display message2, and here the message will be hello world. Now let's go into sample.html and copy this and paste it. Now here I will say display message2 as the label name, and here I'll be calling what? On click display message2. Now one more important thing that we have to do is we should have one more script element where I will be referring into the external sample.js file, and for that we have to use this src attribute, and there we have to specify this external file name. Save this and go back into the browser and refresh the browser, and we can see we have one more button with the label as display message2. Now when user clicks on display message, it will call hello Paul, and this hello Paul is called from the JavaScript which is written in that same HTML document. Now when user clicks on display message2, it displays the message as hello world, and this message has been defined in an external JavaScript file, that is sample.js file, which we are referring from our HTML document using the src attribute of the script element. Also, as I have told you that the script element can also reside inside the body element. So let me cut this and paste it inside the body element. Save this and let's go back into the browser. Refresh and click on display message. We can still see that hello Paul is displayed in the alert. So the conclusion is a single HTML document can contain multiple script elements. Second thing, the script element can be in the body section as well as in the head section, and again where it has to be, it depends on our requirement. And we can even refer to some external file or some external script file from the HTML document just by using the src attribute of the script element. So this is all about the script element in HTML. Thank you for watching.